Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 14 for Straight Talk. So as of this video recording, the iPhone 14 is up for pre-orders at Straight Talk. Y'all guys can get the 128GB iPhone 14 for $829.99 at Straight Talk, and it's available in black. Y'all guys can see the iPhone 14 right there. It looks like the iPhone 13 from last year, so nothing really much difference in terms of like design. So you guys like the design of the iPhone 13? Here you guys go. Y'all guys have your nods so for your front facing camera and stuff. On the back is your dual camera setup, camera fresh, Apple logo and whatnot. There's the front there, and there's an up close look at this cameras there on the back. Features says iPhone 14 full of fantastic features. iPhone 14 with the most impressive dual camera system on iPhone. Capture stunning photos in low light and bright light. Get peace of mind with groundbreaking safety features. Specs on the iPhone 14, you guys should know what they are. It has Super Retina XDR display, 6.1 inches, OLED. Width 2.82 inches, heights 5.78 inches, depth 0.31 inches. It has all-day battery life, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, MagSafe wireless charging up to 15 watt, video playback up to 20 hours, video playback streamed 16 hours, audio playback up to 80 hours. Bands there. What comes in the iPhone 14 box is not much. You guys get the iPhone 14, of course, Type-C to Lightning cable, documentation, Apple sticker, and that is it. There is no charging brick in the box. You guys know that Apple don't include chargers in their boxes anymore. So yeah. More features on the iPhone 14: camera, advanced camera system for better specs in any light. Cinematic mode now in 4K Dolby Atmos up to 30 frames per second. Video up to 20 hours of video playback. Action mode for smooth, steady handheld video. Design industry leading durability features with ceramic shield and water resistance. Safety, vital safety features, emergency SOS via satellite, and crash detection, which are very nice features to have. Speed A15 Bionic chip with 5-core GPU for lightning fast performance, super fast 5G cellular eSIM. Your iPhone will be activated with an eSIM. No physical SIM is needed. So pretty interesting there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 14 is now here at Straight Talk. Straight Talk has it in 128GB of storage for $829.99, and that's the only storage option that they have. So yeah, very nice looking phone. Pretty good specs for what it is, and yeah, it's definitely worth taking a look at here. So this is a cheaper iPhone this year. The iPhone 14 is a cheaper version of the iPhones this year. So there is no iPhone mini this year. So that's pretty interesting there. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.